I've also been using voiceovers for most of my accounts, and it's generated me over $17,000 in just 4 months. What's going on, everybody? In today's video, I'll be showing you guys how to avoid copywriting and original strikes on TikTok. Recently, TikTok been hitting a lot of people that I have been working with unoriginal content and copyright strikes, and I want to come out here and inform you guys on how to avoid these and not get caught up in the problems. And I'm not going to waste your time. Let's just get straight into this. You're going to have to use a voiceover for any niche that you're doing. And my niche that I'm into right now is sports right here. As you could see, this is my top competitor, and he's been getting a lot of views, and he's been just like putting voiceovers in each of his single video for like at least 10 seconds, and after the 10 seconds the video just can play normally, so you can avoid that. And if you get copyright strikes while using like voiceovers, you can still fight for it and literally win. Like, they can't take the video down because in the community guidelines it's written that as long as you transform the video, so show your face or use commentary, then you're good. So as an example, this guy was in my niche doing voiceovers, and he's avoiding every single copywriting strikes and unoriginal. I'll be using this video as an example right here. And my niche is sports, so I'm not gonna really leak my niche like that, but this guy's my competitor, so I do other sports content, but I've also have to use voiceovers for the first 10 seconds at least. Then I could play the actual clip and everything. So
how to do this is you're going to, let me just put it in TikTok thing, and let's go in the basic right here, go all the way down, let's go all the way down, go to canvas, and you're going to add blur. Put the second one, or first one, also be good. Zoom in a little bit to it.
And for these changes that you're going to be making to avoid the unoriginal and copyright strikes is you're going to go to stickers and like, you're going to get like a little circle right here, right? And you're going to focus on the player that you're talking about. You know what I mean? You're going to have to add this little thing right here, because this adds also a big role when it comes to this. You can't just throw a voice over and just call it a day. You're going to have to use like little metrics so you can avoid these things. And you can add like a keyframe right here, and you can keep following the player wherever he goes. And to do this, you're going to have to use 11 laps.
These are the 3 most insane touchdowns you've ever seen. You're going to want to stay till the end because we saved the best for last. These players almost made history with this one.
Alright, so I just made the script really fast. I didn't not even a script. I made these like 3 sentences so fast. I didn't spend time doing it because I'm showing you guys an example. But if I'm spending time, I'll literally try my hardest to make these first sentences to be the best, so you can have people hooked and also kind of surpass the unoriginal copyright strikes. And this voiceover is literally 10 seconds long. As you can see, I'm gonna download it and put it right into CapCut. Put the voiceover under the video, zoom in a little bit. You're gonna have to cut. Sometimes AI has like a lot of dead parts right here, like dead spaces, so you're gonna have to go and cut them, to make it better. So let's go to this one right here, cut, drag it back, and you're going to want to mute the video until right here. You're going to split this video and then mute the audio. Then you want to go back and let's hear what this offers.
These are the 3 most insane touchdowns you've ever seen. You're going to want to stay till the end because we saved the best for last. These players almost made history with this one.
All right, perfect. So what you're gonna do is, whatever niche you're doing, just try to use voiceover and talk about the video of like what's going on or what's gonna happen or anything. So for this right here, this one is just a little hook to have people hooked, and also to like catfish the TikTok program into thinking that this is our video. And we're gonna have to add a keyframe right here.
These
a keyframe right there.
3
keyframe right here.
Most
keep dragging
insane
it. Keep dragging it.
touchdown
Look, adds the keyframe itself, so you have to just keep dragging it.
ever seen. You're going
right
going
there.
to
Yep,
want
perfect. So I'm just gonna end it right here, and let's just look back and see what we did.
These are the 3 most insane touchdowns you've ever seen. You're going to want to stay.
All right, perfect. So as you can see, we highlighted the player with the red circle, and
This is going to keep talking right here, but we're just going to have to, sometimes we're going to have to trim the logos of the companies that we're posting this, so we don't get actually unoriginal strikes and stuff.
With this one.
Let's go, and boom. Audio plays right here. When the audio plays is when your video starts. If you want to talk about the whole entire video, you can talk about the whole entire video, and I recommend you use ChatGPT Pro for the scripting of the video. You know what I mean? Tell them, oh, I'm doing top 3 best touchdowns or top 3 best dunks or anything about sports or any niche that you're into. Just try to have a perfect script, so you don't want to just use a voiceover that's trash and it gets bad engagement, and you're gonna mess up your account. So You can have like right here playing and, you know, wait until 1 minute right here. 1 minute and 1 second. It's perfect. So, or you could just wait until the last play. So it'll be perfect. Right here. Boom. Let me see one more.
Right here.
But he did! These are the 3 most insane touchdowns you've ever seen. You're going to want to stay till the end because we saved the best for last. These players almost made history with this one.
Tua. Pass is caught by one of the linemen. And he...
That's perfect. If you want to have the whole video just playing as, like, you know, top 3 best touchdowns or anything, but try to chop these up right here. As you can see, I kind of like, I didn't really spend time editing it because I'm using this video as an example. It's not really my niche, but my competitor is in this niche, so I have to kind of like, you know, scout things out. So, you know, you're gonna have to boom like that.
And go to the next one. You know, remove these labels every single time. You don't want to get caught. So, boom right here. The whole entire video, I'm gonna have to just go like this. It'll be perfect. Add captions. You can add effects. Also, the effects also matter. So if you want to add like an effect.
These are the 3 most insane touchdowns you've ever.
You can add an effect right here. You know, a little metrics. Add it for the whole video if you really want to. Kind of want to be different a little bit. And also, when it comes to these things, you can also have the glow a little bit down if you don't like the glow being so high. You know, you might think it messes up your video, but it just makes it a little better. But just a little down. You know, you don't want to go crazy, but this.
Perfect.
You're going to want to... These are the 3 most insane touchdowns you've ever seen. You're going to want to stay till the end.
You can add a little sound effects also to help prevent that, right? But other than that, this is what I really came up with. I've also been using voiceovers for most of my accounts, and it's generated me over $17,000 in just 4 months. So what I really do is just use voiceovers, add a little bit of editing, sound effects, little kind of like arrows on the players or anything that's going on. Any niche that you're doing, just try to use a voiceover for more than 5 seconds or 10 seconds to manipulate TikTok's algorithm to make them think that this is your video. But this is what I got for today. I hope you appreciate it, and I hope I didn't waste your time, and I hope you gained value in this video. If you gained any value, comment down below of what other things that you guys have been facing or any other problems or anything that you need help with. Also, you can join my free Discord community where we help people grow and scale things and also help them with their problems. So if you're facing anything like that, you could join my Discord or comment down below so I could just talk about it in the next video. That's all I got today. Appreciate you. Peace out.